Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need the dry blend and cold fat ready. Combine flour, baking powder, and salt in a bowl. Once dry mix is uniform, grate or cut 0. 5-cup cold butter into it so you get pea-sized pieces. This creates flaky layers. Make a well, then pour 1/2 cups cold milk slowly while stirring with a fork. Do not overmix. You want a shaggy, slightly sticky dough. Stop when it just holds together, because working more destroys the lift. Once you have a shaggy dough, turn it onto a lightly floured surface and press gently to a 1-inch thickness. Make a quick fold, pat again, and repeat 2 to 3 times to build layers. This is how biscuits get flaky, so be gentle. Make rounds with a 2.5-inch cutter, pressing straight down. Do not twist, because twisting seals edges and prevents rise. Place biscuits close for soft sides or spaced for crusty edges. Keep fingers cool to prevent butter melting. Preheat to 220 degrees, slide biscuits onto a hot middle rack, and bake 12-15 minutes until golden. Rotate the pan at about 8 minutes for even color. Once done, brush tops with melted butter for flavor and shine, then let rest 5 minutes so steam finishes the interior. If biscuits come out dense, make sure butter was cold and you didn't overmix or overknead. Next batch, chill dough briefly before cutting and use quick, decisive presses to preserve layers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.